Hello everyone, this is RTK working as an Assistant Professor of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science Department at Kalaignar Karunanidhi Institute of Technology, Coimbatore. Today we are going to discuss about Minmax algorithm. So Minmax algorithm is a recursive or backtracking algorithm which is used in decision making and game theory. It provides an optimal view for player assuming that opponent is also playing optimally. Minmax algorithm uses recursion to search through the game tree. It is used for game playing in AI such as chess, checkers, tic-tac-toe and two-player games. In this algorithm, two players play the game. One is called max and another one is called min. Both the players fight it as the opponent player gets the minimum benefit while they get the maximum benefit. Both of the players of the game are opponent of each other, where min will select the minimized value and max will select the maximized value. In this algorithm, we perform the depth first search algorithm for the exploration of the complete the game tree. The Minmax algorithm proceeds all the way down to the terminal node of the tree, then backtrack the tree as the recursion. Let's see how Minmax algorithm works. The working of the Minmax algorithm is easy. We have taken an example of game tree which is representing the two-player game. There are two players, one is called maximizers and another one is called minimizer. Maximizer will try to get the maximum possible score and minimizer will try to get the minimum possible score. In this algorithm, we apply the DFS. So in this game tree, we have to go all the way through the leaves to search the terminal nodes. At the terminal node, the terminal values are given. So we will compare those values and backtrack the tree until the initial state occurs. So consider this example. In the first step, the algorithm generates the entire game tree to apply the utility function. Suppose if A takes the maximizer, the next level of node B and C will take the minimizer role, and after that maximizer and after that minimizer. Likewise, it will take the turn to play. So in the step 2, we find the utilities values for the maximizer. Its initial value is minus infinity. So for the node D, we have to compare the values of H and I node values to find the maximum value. So maximum of minus 1, 4 is 4. So the D value is 4. For node E, we have to compare the values of node J and K. Maximum of 2 and 6 is 6. So E value is 6. For node F, we have to compare the values of L and M nodes. Maximum of minus 3 and minus 5 is minus 3. So F node value is minus 3. For node G, we have to compare the values of node N and O. The maximum of 0, 7 is 7. So the node value of G is 7. And the next step, it is the turn for minimizer. So it will compare the all nodes value with plus infinity and will find the third layer node values. For node B, we have to compare the values of node D and E. So minimum of 4, 6 is 4. So the value of node B is 4. For node C, we have to compare the values of F and G. Minimum of minus 3 and 7 is minus 3. So value of node C is minus 3. Now it is the turn for maximizer, and it will choose the maximum of all nodes values, find the maximum value for the root node. In this game tree, there are only 4 layers, hence we reach immediately to the root node. But in real games, there will be more than 4 layers. For node A, maximum of 4 and minus 3 is 4, so the root node value is 4. So the properties of Minmax algorithm is it is a complete, because it will definitely find a solution in the finite search tree if it exists. And Minmax algorithm is optimal because both opponent's player are playing optimally. Time complexity of this algorithm is big O of B of m, b power m, where b is the branching factor. Space complexity is big O of b into m. So there are some limitations in Minmax algorithms. The main drawback of the Minmax algorithm is it gets really slow for complex games such as chess, Go, etc. This type of games has a huge branching factor and the player has lot of choices to decide. This limitation of Minmax algorithm can be improved from alpha beta pruning. Thank you.